have one choice left. Throw my grenade or I'll do something about it. Fine, I'll open it. Huh? Yeah. Now, let's throw the grenade. 3, 2, 1. The last thing I saw was I got blanked. I don't know. Yeah. Thank you for the movie.